Hello, subscribers. Very good morning. Hope you're doing well. So very recently, I've got a question that how to convert a JMX script to Neoload, and it does not end with that. So he wanted to know. He wanted to convert the JMeter script to Neoload script with all its correlations. Yes, I do really understand how much painful it is to do all the correlations right from the beginning, right from the scratch. But still, before we see or before we know how the what is the possibility of converting the JMeter script to Neoload script, let me tell you the background of it. So most of us know, for some reason, we are using a tool like JMeter, Neoload, LoadRunner, K6, or whatever tool in a current project, and for some reason, when we want to migrate it to a new tool like from JMeter to Neoload, or from JMeter to LoadRunner, or from LoadRunner to JMeter, or from LoadRunner to Neoload, so in those scenarios, converting the scripts, I mean, like when you have one or two scripts, that's fine, you can create it. But when you have too many scripts, and when they're too complex, the flows are too complex, and when you could not crack the flow, so in those scenarios, you would definitely need to do this conversion, which is like from A to B, or from like I would say, like from LoadRunner to JMeter. In this scenario, even it is from JMeter to Neoload. So I really understand the reason behind that. But still, what happens is when you convert from one tool to other tool, like I have did several videos on that. So what normally happens is the tool does not know, like, is that a user who is doing the conversion, or is that the tool which is doing the conversion. The tool which understand all, it is just tracking the network. So that's the only thing it does. So whatever you do, even though you run a new script from Neoload to JMeter, or from LoadRunner to JMeter, it just tracks, it just captures the traffic. It just understands that some user is doing some transaction, and I'm going to record it because it comes via my host, it comes via my gateway. So that's what it does. So what about the correlation? So in that part, yes, I would say there is no chance of doing the correlation, because all it does is it records it as a natural flow, or as a flow that you record. So that's what it happens. That's what the tool does, and that's what the capability is. So all it does is it records the transactions. It records the way it can understand. So that's what any tool does. I mean, if you convert from Neoload to JMeter, and there is one more thing. I was like checking for an option, like to do what can be done, So when I was like trying to understand the architecture, how does the code works, actually the Neoload tool, the Neoload code is on NLP, which you can see like .NLP code. But the other way, the JMX script, which is actually an XML file. If you open the file in a notepad, you can see the XML content of it. So they both are different in terms of the architecture, in terms of the design. They both are completely different. So I'm just still exploring, and to convert the Neoload script to, I mean, like whatever is mentioned, like from JMeter to Neoload, I'm just trying to understand. I'm just trying to bring away. But for now, I would say that there is little or no opportunity to convert your JMeter script to Neoload with the correlation. So that's my observation, and that's what I have understood from my friends as well. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, and if you have any other queries or any feedbacks, please do comment in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching the video. Until I meet you in the next video, it's bye bye from Sachin Shanmugam and your favorite Little Sly YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.